Hi, I'm Jordan from Artisan Electrics and I want to introduce you to the Andersen A2 charger today. This is a charging point that we fitted for one of our clients in London, and the great thing about the Andersen is it's really beautiful looking. So it's particularly good for situations where the aesthetics of the house are very important and you want a charger that will either blend in with the decor or just look like a kind of a design feature. One of the outstanding features of the Andersen A2 is that it is a tethered charger, but the cable is actually hidden inside, so you don't see the cable. So I'll show you how that works now. There's a little flap that lifts up here, and then the cable is just hidden inside like this, and all you do is unwind it. You can unwind it to the desired length. It's got a 5.5 meter cable for this version, which is the 7 kilowatt version. They do come in a 3-phase version as well. And the brushes on the side of the charger clean the cable every time that you wind it up or unwind it. So you unwind your cable like that, and then we've got our vehicle here. Just unlock the charging port and then plug it in. You'll hear the contactor activate in the charger, and then my Tesla's flashing green to say that it's charging. And it's simple as that. It works, it looks beautiful, and it's got all the safety features required of a modern electric vehicle charger. We don't have to install an earth electrode for this charger because it's got inbuilt pen fault detection. It's also got inbuilt 6 milliamp DC protection and type A RCD protection, so it satisfies all the requirements of the latest regulations for electric vehicle chargers, and it looks great. Now it's available in various different finishes. So the front panel can be various different colours. They're all available on the website. You can mix and match, and the side panels are available in different colours as well, so you can choose your combination. Obviously our customer here has opted for this kind of ruby red back and the Malmo blue, I think it is, the front cover, but you can get various different combinations, and you can also get wooden front covers as well, which there are 3 different finishes and they look really nice too. So if you've got more of a sort of a rustic house or that's got lots of wooden features, the wood finish looks amazing. But in terms of aesthetics, this is really the nicest looking charging point out there at the moment, and it's ideal for people who've got listed buildings, for example, as well, because it just blends in and looks really nice. If you would like a quote for an electric vehicle charger, please feel free to get in touch via the contact form on our website, which is www.artisanelectrics.co.uk.